Some people want to know what gets a juvenile in adult court. At least in the state of Maryland, there are a couple significant things that determine whether or not a 17-year-old, a 16-year-old, a 15-year-old is going to be charged in adult court, whether or not they're going to stay in adult court. I have a case where a young man right now who's 17 years old, he's charged with armed robbery. We're in adult court. We're working on getting all that information to the judge to try and convince the judge to waive his case to juvenile court. At the same time, he's alleged to have robbed shoes from somebody else on a different day, so they charged him just with robbery. That just went straight to juvenile court. So he's in juvenile court on one case because it's robbery. He's in adult court on another case because it's armed robbery. So those are the different factors that go into play: the age of the defendant and the type of the charge. So, for example, first-degree murder cannot be waived down to juvenile court, but other very serious things start in adult court, and we work hard to convince judges to send them to juvenile court. So if you find yourself or a loved one in that situation where they're under the age of 18 and they're charged as an adult and they're in adult court, you need a good lawyer who's going to be able to present a strong mitigation packet, because this is even before the stage of deciding guilt or innocence. This is just about the charge, the seriousness of the offense, and the history of the juvenile, if the juvenile's had cases in the past. The lawyer needs to put together a lot of information. The Department of Juvenile Services also does evaluations, psychological evaluations. They get the school records, they get medical history. The judge has to get all this information. We go to court and we argue the different factors for the judge to be convinced to send the defendant to juvenile court. My name is David Wooten. I'm a partner here at Jezic and Moyse. I have 15 years of experience working with the most serious crimes.